Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Kule insuku sikhuluma ngo-Ethan Cheslet. Guess what? Nama-professional players or ex-professional player selikhulumile ngo-Ethan Cheslet ngesikhathi sakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi udlale kanjani laphana eNgilandi neligi bekadlala kuyo because udlale ku-third and fourth division but-ke laphana eNgilandi i-third and fourth division ama-professional leagues a-serious bafethu. So uNicky naye udlalile laphana ku-third division e-England oke wadlala nalana eSouth Africa ukhulumile ngo-Ethan Cheslet bafowethu. Nawa amagama akhe. Uqale lana kuNicky bafowethu uthe uma udlalile laphana e-England kule level le adlale kuyo Ethan Cheslet ichaza ukuthi uyi-good player and uyakwazi ngempela ukulalela lo coach. Uthi akumelanga abantu badoubt or kube any doubt about i-ability yakho as i-football ukuthi uyakwazi ukudlala. uNicky ke yena bafowethu wayewu-goalkeeper. Uthi-ke just like uVS Cheslet naye-ke udlalele eNgilandi before ezalana eSouth Africa. Uthi for Ethan Cheslet obviously change enkulu bafowethu from yena ukuthi maybe usazama uku-adjusta kwi-environment ne-culture because of izinto ezihlukile. Umhlaba ohluke kakhulu eSouth Africa from la abuya khona u-Ethan Cheslet eNgilandi. Sikhumbule ukuthi Ethan Cheslet wahamba la eSouth Africa emncane uthi wayena-4 so bafowethu, so is like a full on Englishman. But asiqhubeke namagama kaNicky ukuthi uthini. Uthi laphana e-UK abakwenzela ama-favors, uchaza ukuthi nje awudlali noma ufike kule level leyo Ethan Cheslet afike kuyo mahhala njengoba abakwenzela ama-favor. No, uthi Ethan Cheslet ufike kule level le afika kuyo laphana e-England ku-professional setup because of uyi-quality player. Uthi if bekangasiyi-proven quality player i-Kaizer Chiefs ngaba imsayinanga. Uthi futhi ngeke udlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs without i-Kaizer Chiefs i-check ibheke ukuthi ubani. So uthi-ke bayamazi, that is why bamsayinile. Uthi akacabangi nje ukuthi angasayina mhlawumbe umuntu obhedayo yabo izinto ezinjalo. Uthi uyabelieve ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-make sure ukuthi u-Ethan Cheslet by the time aqala ukudlala laphana u-ready kuwo wonke ama-aspect or ama-department or ama-side wakhe mentally, physically, everywhere u-ready ukurepresent i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi-ke based on like i-experience yakhe laphana ku-football eNgilandi, i-England kusho ukuthi la kudlala u-Ethan Cheslet i-more structured, not technically but-ke uthi precise in what has to be done. Kusho ukuthi i-league yase-England i-structure si-better than i-PSL. Yes, i-talent ethola ukuthi e-England abanalo but all the players don't know how to do and they are direct ngalento le abanikwe yona instruction from ucoach. Uthi-ke mawuza la eSouth Africa as i-midfielder uthi kunzima kakhulu because of ayikho i-freedom, ama-players-ke aspenda more time on the ball. So uthi-ke he is going to have to get used to the level of creativity which unlike the traditional way of playing in England. Yes, Ethan Cheslet vele bafowethu kumele ajwayele i-creativity as number 10. Bheka number 10 bala eSouth Africa ukuthi banjani bafowethu. Ubheke almost every team. Awubheke uKaizer Chiefs umdusha balala uGustin Sirino, manje uVilakazi ama-fans athi vele akadlali lapho number 10, even namanye ama-ex-footballers. Uyawubona ukuthi number 10 wase-South Africa u-creative bafowethu, unoshukela. So maybe something that they are looking at uCheslet maybe uyaleka compared to mhlawumbe aboShabalala, yabo. So bona vele ukuhluke kakhulu bafowethu eSouth Africa ukudlala i-number 10 nalaphana overseas. Kusho ukuthi ulona u-Ethan Cheslet kumele ajwayele izinto ezi-different. I-awareness like it means uthi uyaqhubeka la uNicky uthi it means ukuthi uCheslet kumele ajwayele i-awareness level, kusho ukuthi akwazi ukubheka emasayidini noma aphethe ibhola ukuthi kuzoba nobani abangezi, and uyasho ukuthi i-speed, kusho ukuthi i-pace yebhola laphana or ye-game. Uthi-ke plus the less aggressive nature of the game. Uthi-ke it's unfortunate he has been slowed down by injuries. Oh yeah, uyasho uvala ngokuthi i-Ethan Cheslet kusho ukuthi indlela yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu i-affected by ama-injuries, but uyabona ukuthi he believes ukuthi Ethan Cheslet unawo ama-qualities ukuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, konke sokulele kuye. Well, nama-coaches ukuthi bona afunani, adicidani, aplaneni ngo-Ethan Cheslet. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see sibone ukuthi zikhiphani ngo-Ethan Cheslet. But before ngifuna ukuya somewhere bafethu ukukhuluma nga-something la before sibuyela ku-Ethan Cheslet into engiyibonile laphana online. Lona umfowethu bafethu uDiarra, ngiyambona ukuthi unjani angithi. Uthi osisi babemtshela njalo ukuthi mubi, 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 kodwa-ke uthi since enemali, hhayi bayamthanda-ke amantombazane nalaba bebangamthandi but-ke manje sebayamthanda, kusho ukuthi they see something-ke manje. Uthi ubonile ukuthi hhayi imali iyayitshentsha ngempela impilo yomuntu or iyatshentsha izinto or the way abakubona ngakhona abantu. So, I mean it shows ukuthi ngeke ngikhulume kabi osisi bethu bafowethu but-ke imali at the end of the day bafowethu ibaluleke ibaluleke kakhulu. Nangu umfowethu laphana uyasho ukuthi bebangambheki nokumbheka, bangamcabangi nokumcabanga but-ke manje sebathi uyabukeka umfowethu. Hhayi ziyakhala ngempela bafowethu. And naye-ke sevele washada-ke bafowethu, asazi ukuthi ushade lo muntu one of the people bebathi akabukeki, mubi, but-ke manje sebonakale engcono kakhulu based on ukuthi senemali, seyi-millionaire umfana laphana. So yeah. Oh no, akusiwo uDiarra, why ngithi uDiarra? uDiada bafowethu. And udlalela ilokhunjana iMonaco. Urhola imali e-serious ngempela bafowethu. So udlala laphana nabo ubani abo-Pogba, cabanga. So a week ngonyaka uhola bafowethu close to 50 million rands masiyi-convert-a kuma-rands ngonyaka imali ayiholayo. 50 million rands. So abo-my sister basibonela imali bayabona ukuthi ya sekamuhle-ke manje ngoba imali ikhona. Cause uma ngithi close to 50 million rands ngichaza ukuthi uhola 3 million euros a year plus-ke kunama-bonuses obvious structured bonuses laphana e-Europe uma udlala khona izinto zakho ukuthi zihamba kanjani, kuya ngokuthi uphefoma kanjani. I can imagine maybe he makes more than 50 million but depending ukuthi bawina kangakanani. Salary yakhe might be just over 30 million rands but-ke mayi-structured nama-bonus nezinye izinto bafowethu i-solid ngempela imali yakho. Ushadile ubhuti. Ya uthi bebathi mubi but-ke manje-ke sebayakwazi ukumbona ukuthi hawu Nkosi yami uyabukeka. Ya hhayi ziyakhala, ziyakhala, ziyakhala. But yeah, sibuyeleni ku-Ethan Cheslet bafowethu. U-Ethan Cheslet for some time obviously-ke I think for a year ngike ngayisho lento le, for a year abhekwe i-Kaizer Chiefs. Not necessarily ukuthi abhekwe i-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke bekasho ukuthi ufuna ukubuya ebholeni lase-South Africa, akwazi ukudlala nokukhompyutha ku-South African game because of bekathi wathi yena kwenye interview yakhe he identifies himself more to i-South African game, ne-creativity yakhona, ne-flair and everything nje about i-Kaizer Chiefs. And before asayinwa laphana u-Ethan Cheslet bafowethu, kuke I wanna go somewhere la because I saw something before asayinwa uCheslet ukuthi nabantu already abakhuluma ngayo ukuthi what is to expect from yena. Mesayinwa laphana ubani mafowethu khona into engicabangayo. Yes, khona abantu bebakhuluma. Yes, I got this thing. Got this thing bafowethu. Bayasho ukuthi u-Ethan Cheslet kumele aperforme immediately mefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi akwazi ukuziprova. Ngeke kube lula ukuthi adlale laphana e-South Africa. Uzosidinga, bheka bayisho lento le mesa angakadlali nokudlala singakamboni, but uzosidinga isikhathi sokuthi a-adapte to ibhola lalaphana lala e-South Africa. But kuzodependa-ke ngequality yakhe, but i-Kaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu kumele aperforme immediately. Ngeke sibe khona isikhathi sokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imnese whatever. If akaperform immediately then kuzoba ney'nkinga. So umbuzo omkhulu lana-ke ukuthi uzokwazi ukuyihandle i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi mentally kumele abe tough for ama-big team, akakaze adlalele i-team enkulu number one. So ukuza kwakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs change everything bafowethu. Uyayibona i-pressure laphana online nanokuthi ama-fans a-react kanjani if i-Kaizer Chiefs iyawina or iyalose or kwenzakalani. So leyo nto leyo kumele ameke sure ukuthi ayihlali kuyena noma im-affect, yabo. So yeah so far obviously abakamniki i-stage ukuthi azibonakalise aperforme, but-ke it takes some bit of time ukuthi u-adapte, to be fair bafowethu. to be fair, it takes some time to adapt, especially u-Ethan Cheslett, maybe physics side of i-game, cause e-Europe la bekadlala khona masibukela i-League 1 ne-League 2 laphana eNgilandi, labantu abakwazi ukumaka, to be fair. Yabona e-Europe masikhuluma iqiniso, ngathi bangakwazi ukumaka ku-Premiership, bafethu abantu ku-English Premiership, so bamaka i-space isikhathi esiningi. E-South Africa bamaka i-space, bakulanda straight. Uyakhahleleka, uyanyatheleka, kuyaliwa ngempela. U-Ethan Cheslett before or Ethan Cheslett, I think it was 2020, yes, 2020 laphana England, waba ne-interview. Wathi ku-interview yena ufuna ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, ufuna ukurepresent i-South Africa. So yinto embuyisile yamletha la e-South Africa. Asingeneni kumagama wakhe straight. Uthi wazalelwa eThekwini, abazali bakhe ama-South Africans bobawu-2, but-ke bamuvela to e-UK meka neminyaka ewu-4-5 lapho. So uthi-ke personally yena uzibona as i-South African, even nomkhulu wakhe wadlala for i-South Africa. So uthi yena ufuna ukuqhubeka ey'nyathelweni noma ukuhamba ey'nyathelweni zakamkhulu wakhe, noma isibongo sakhe, with uCheslett, alandele umkhulu wakhe naye ukuthi akwazi ukudlala laphana e-South Africa. So uthi-ke kudala lokhu ayisho lento lena bafethu, sekuna-5 years before afika la e-South Africa, lokhu athi yena ufuna ukuza la e-South Africa, Cheslett. And nawo amagama akhe la, uthi i-technical ability uthi unayo, uthi strength sakhe uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-10, uyakwazi ukudlala off the wing anywhere laphana ku-midfielder, uyasho ukuthi u-comfortable. Uthi laphana yena uyi-creativity noma uchaza ukuthi u-creative in a way, I think, yeah. Uthi-ke udlala ngekhanda with ama-brains. Well, ithi slow down singajahi. Usho ukuthi udlala ngokucabanga isikhathi esiningi, akatatazeli, akajahi. Uyakwazi ukuthola ama-pockets laphana kuma-spaces ukuthi akwazi ukulimaza ama-opposition. So yiwo ama-strength wakhe laphana. Uyafuna ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, Ethan Cheslett. Is he gonna play for iBafana Bafana? Is it late? Is it maybe when they start seeing him bazombiza kuBafana Bafana, because so far sikakamboni ku-Kaizer Chiefs? But yeah, it's gonna be tough, especially laphana kuma-midfielders, ama-creative midfielders ukuthi angakanani, ama-attacking midfielders ukuthi angakanani. Ethan Cheslett kumele step up immediately, njengoba beshilo nabantu bafethu. So yeah, it's a beautiful game. Abantu abaningi bayakholelwa kuyena ukuthi Ethan Cheslett angakwazi ukwenza into zenzeka for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke konke kulele kuye. Abantu abaningi bayabhelieve ukuthi unayo iquality lokuthi adlale, njengoba siqale ngoNicky saya nasemagameni wakhe laphana u-Ethan Cheslett ukuthi ufunani, that why eze e-South Africa, why bekafuna ukuza e-South Africa, ufuna uku-achievani as an individual. Simfisela inhlanhla laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Cela ukuyibamba lana. Ngithanda ukuthi danko bafowethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ngithanda ukuthi thank you kuwo wonke umuntu o-like-ayo, subscribe-ayo. Sikhulisa le community le, and the coolest thing is that we are doing it in Vernex. Ishaya ngeVernex bafowethu. Danko.